Assalamu alaikum Morokistan family. Today we are baking a traditional Moroccan round bread, also known as khobz, right in the oven, perfectly soft just like in Morocco. So without any delay, let's get started. To start, take 300 grams of flour in a mixing bowl, add 1 tablespoon of yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar and 200 ml of warm water. Gradually add the water while mixing until you get a sticky dough. Quick reminder, if you have not subscribed to Morokistan Kitchen yet, hit the subscribe button and turn on the bell icon for future delicious updates. Cover and keep it aside for 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, uncover the dough, add 100 grams of all-purpose flour and half teaspoon of salt gradually. Knead the dough until it's soft but not sticky. Then cover and let it rest for 10 minutes. Dust your baking mat with semolina or flour. Divide the dough into 6 equal balls. Flatten each ball into a circular shape, not too thick or thin. Now bake in a preheated oven at 180 Celsius to 200 Celsius for 8 to 12 minutes. And there you have it, amazing Moroccan khobz is ready to be served with your favorite curry. Leave your thoughts in the comments below. Happy cooking and see you next time.